Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft we're making pumpkin shakers. The supplies we need for this craft are glue, construction paper, orange and green, scissors, and something to make the shaker make noise. I chose black beans, but you can use rice or other kind of beans. So first we're gonna take the orange and we're gonna make a big circle. I already made my circle. We're gonna make 2 circles. So these are my 2 circles. And I'm gonna put glue around the 1 circle. Right along the edge. And then we're gonna take the green and make a stem. This is my stem. And then I'm gonna put my black beans in. And you can put as many as you want. I wouldn't make it too full. I'm gonna do one more. And then we're gonna take the other orange circle and we're just gonna press down. And it's gonna be lumpy because the beans. And this is our pumpkin shaker. Hope you enjoyed today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.